पिछले लेक्चर में हमने ट्री स्ट्रक्चर वेक्टर क्वांटाइजर देखा था और उसका डिटेल देखते हैं थोड़ा इसमें। तो पहले पुरानी चीज़ों को रिकॉल करते हैं। in case of tree structure vector quantizer, we can represent our vector quantizer in the format of tree. जैसा कि हमने देखा था, firstly we divide a non-symmetric matrix or non-symmetric vector into two parts, that is a type 0 or type 1. And again the same process will be continued till the how we will reach the level. And we also have seen that there are two types of structure vector quantizer. First is a symmetrical vector quantizer and second one is a non-symmetrical vector quantizer. So in case of symmetrical vector quantizer, the data set in one quadrant is the reflective of another quadrant. Like as in the given example, this one is a symmetrical vector quantizer in 2 dimensions. So data available in the first quadrant is the symmetrical reflection of data available in the second quadrant. Also, data in the first quadrant are symmetrical reflection of data in the fourth quadrant. And on the same way, data in the second quadrant also have the reflective property with the quadrant 1 and quadrant 3. Data in the quadrant 3 has the symmetrical property with the quadrant 2 and quadrant 4, and the same way quadrant 4 have the symmetrical property with the quadrant 3 and quadrant 1. So this one is the symmetrical, and in this case we have also studied that if we want to quantize any data or any data available in any quadrant, then this is the simplest approach because all the 4 quadrants have the similar reflection of data that have in the one quadrant. So suppose that we have a 10 data in one quadrant, then total number of data is 14 in all 4 quadrants because this is a 10 into 4 because all data is reflected to each other. So if we want to search a vector quadrant or vector quantizer out of 40, then we will not to need all 40 data. We will work only on the 10 data because this 10 data will be reflected on another 3 quadrants. So the time consumption to count the data vector is less than in compare of a symmetrical approach, or it will take less time to compute or to find the vector quantizer. On the other hand, we have also seen that a non-symmetrical vector quantizer. So in vector quantizer, in a non-symmetrical vector quantizer, we have already seen that there is no symmetrical properties of any quadrant. Means data available in one quadrant are not symmetrical with the data available in the second, third, fourth quadrant. On the same way, data available in second quadrant are not symmetrical with the 1, 3, 4 quadrant. And so this one is the difference between symmetrical and non-symmetrical. Consider example 10.5.1 and this example for the symmetrical. So here you have seen that the vector quantizer in figure 10.18 and this one is have mirror image. This one have mirror image of what? So we had dropped the mirror image requirement of the previous example which have already seen. The output points are shown as filled circle or dotted circle and the input point in the x-axis. It is obvious from the figure that while the input is in the first quadrant, the closest output point is in the fourth quadrant. Let us see. This one x is the input point and the output point is of this x which are available in the first quadrant are available in the fourth quadrant. So output of this X we find in output fourth quadrant. So the quantization approach described above will force the input to be present by the output in the first quadrant. ज्यादा कंफ्यूज होने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट इतना है कि दिस वन इज अ नॉन सिमेट्रिकल, सो कोई भी डेटा एक दूसरे के सिमेट्री नहीं होगा. सी यहाँ पे जो डेटा है ये दिस डेटा हैव नॉट सिमेट्रिकल प्रॉपर्टी विथ इट्स नेबर क्वाड्रेंट लाइक एज ए सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट एंड फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट. आप लोग खुद से देख सकते हैं कि अगर बीच में शीशा लगा दिया जाए तो सेम डेटा यहाँ पर रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं होगा, और ना ही अगर मैं वाई एक्सिस पे एक शीशा लगा दूं तो ये डेटा हमारा सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं होगा. सेम वे second is not have the reflection property with the first quadrant and third quadrant. Same way third quadrant data have not the reflective property with the fourth quadrant and second quadrant. So this is the case of non-symmetrical. So in this case we have studies that we divide the data into two groups, group 1 or group 2. So this process can be continued by splitting the output points in each group into two groups and assign a test vector to subgroup. So group 0 will be splitted in group 00 and group 01 जो हमने पिछले लेक्चर में देखा था. This one is our whole data, and because this is a non-symmetrical, then the whole data can be categorized into two parts, group 1 and group 0. So this one is a group 1 and this one is a group 0. Again, this group 1 data can be categorized into two parts. This one again group 1 and group 0. So this data divided into group 1 and group 2, then we find group 1 ka 1, 1 to 1, and then group 1 ka 0, then 1 to 0. And again same way, this group again divided into two parts, 1 and 0. So this will be 1 1 ka 1 group, so triple 1, and double 1 ka 0 group, then double 1 0. Again same 1 0 divided into two parts, 1 0 1 and 1 0 0. Same process, right side में हमने group 0 लिया था, then group 0 का 1 part and group 0 का group 0 part. So group 0 का group 1 part is a group 0 1 and group 0 का 0 part is a group 0 0. Again group 0 1 का 1 part 0 1 1 and 0 1 का 0 part is 0 1 0. So this is the process कि हम किस तरीके से ट्री बनाएंगे नॉन सिमेट्रिकल वेक्टर क्वांटाइजर का, एंड व्हाट इज द नीड ऑफ दिस ट्री. सो सपोज वी वांट टू अ वैल्यू आउटपुट वैल्यू ऑफ अ डेटा विच आर अवेलेबल इन ग्रुप 0. हमारे पास इनिशियल में सपोज करें कि 100 डेटा है एंड वी वांट टू आउटपुट ऑफ अ सिंगल डेटा आउट ऑफ 100. सो हमने काम क्या किया कि 100 को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिया, ग्रुप 1 एंड ग्रुप 0. एंड हाउ वी विल डिवाइड ग्रुप 1 ग्रुप 0, which data have the symmetrical property in one group and which data have another type of property in one group. So हमने डिवाइड किया ग्रुप 1 एंड ग्रुप 0. सो अगर इनिशियल में 100 डेटा थे तो हमारे पास 50 डेटा बच गए. So to search a single item out of 50 items is more easy in compared to search a single item out of 100 item. और इसको और थोड़ा एक लेवल में लेकर के जाएं तो अगेन दिस वन इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स, ग्रुप 0 एंड ग्रुप 1. सो ईच ग्रुप कंटेन 25. नाउ अगेन to find a single value out of 25 is take less time in compared to find the one value out of 100. So with the help of tree structure vector quantizer, we find the data output value of a non-symmetrical vector quantizer in a very simplest way. So this one is our tree structure vector quantizer. Now